Hello, my name is Orlando Karam and I'm your teacher for the Intro to Databases class. I wanted to introduce myself and to let you know a little about what we are going to do in the class. In this class, we are going to learn about databases and database applications. And databases are present all over in computer science. In fact, most of the time, you guys are going to be working developing database applications. So it is very important that you understand databases and that you're able to create database applications. During this class, you will learn a lot about databases, learn how to model data, learn about SQL, which is a language that we use to communicate with databases, and you will also learn how to create database applications, and in particular, you will create a web-based database application using PHP and HTML plus SQL, of course. An important thing for you to realize is that this is a fully online class. This will require you to be a lot more self-disciplined. With a normal class, you come to class, you get things, there's other people who are pushing you to study. It's a lot easier to keep track of the class. With an online class, you have to keep track of it yourself. I will be sending you email at least once a week, but I expect you to log on to WebCT at least once a day. That will help you keep track for the class. I will post material every week, and to make administrative things easy, things will be due by Sunday midnight. Everything that is ever due in this class will be due by Sunday midnight, the end of Sunday. For the class, I will post materials every Friday. The materials include electronic notes, which are like a textbook chapter, and slides, and most of them with narration attached. The slides highlight the important points of the notes, but I actually expect you to read the notes. Almost every week there will be a WebCT assessment which tests basic recall and understanding of the material in the notes. About every other week there will also be an assignment which requires a more involved application of the material. Both the assessment and the assignment will be due the next Sunday at midnight, about 10 days from when you get them. There will also be discussion topics on WebCT where you can ask questions and discuss the material with each other and myself. There will also be 2 proctored midterms and a comprehensive proctored final exam. I expect most of you to come here to take the proctored exams at a date and time that we'll set up to our website, WebCT discussions. The date and time of the final exam is determined by SPSU. If you are not in Atlanta, contact me to discuss other proctoring arrangements. We will schedule one chat session about every week. You do not have to attend those sessions, although it would be a good idea. We will keep an archive of the chat. I'm also available by email. Please use cs3153-online@spsu.edu so I know that it's coming from this class. I'm also available through Skype. My username on Skype is Orlandocus. My office hours are tentatively Monday, Wednesdays from 2 to 4 and Mondays only from 7:30 to 9. But I'm here usually a lot longer. Also, you can make appointments with me, and if you know beforehand that you cannot make it to any of my office hours, let me know. After all my students have heard about my office hours, if there is people who cannot make it, I will change them and add some hours or move them around so that everybody can come at least once a week to see me if you need me. You don't have to, but if you need me, you can do it. There is a bunch of other ways to reach me. My phone number is 678-915-5558, and I'm here usually a lot longer, so give me a call, see if I'm here. However, don't leave me a phone message. I am very, very bad about checking my voicemail. It's just out of the way, so I never look at it. And so if you need to leave me a message, send me an email or see me on Skype. I usually check my email every day, and I'm available on Skype. The other aspect I wanted to emphasize is the final project. Although it will not be a terribly big application, it will be a complete application which may be bigger than what many of you have done. So you need to start planning for it, start thinking about it. You will also be learning a new programming language, PHP, and you will also be learning probably some HTML. At least if you have some experience, you'll be learning more about HTML. So if you have done web-based applications before, you are probably okay. If you have not, start learning HTML, start learning PHP, because it will help you a lot for the project. And regardless, as soon as we get started on the project, get started and get going. It is very hard to finish this project in a week. You will be given at least 8 weeks to finish the project from when we started, and you get all the information and the ability to log on to the server and do all that to when we finish. But use all the time, don't leave this stuff until the last week. So, welcome, and let's all have fun.